Anna and the Magical Flower. Once upon a time, in the serene and prosperous kingdom of Eldoria, there lived a kind and adventurous princess named Anna. The kingdom was renowned for its lush green valleys, sparkling rivers, and towering mountains. Eldoria's people were content and peaceful, ruled by the wise and benevolent King Theodore and Queen Isabella. Princess Anna was their only child, beloved by all for her gentle heart and brave spirit. She had a deep love for nature, often spending her days exploring the forests and meadows surrounding the palace. Despite her royal status, she preferred the company of animals and plants to the pomp and ceremony of court life. One fateful day, King Theodore fell gravely ill. The royal physicians tried every remedy known to them, but nothing seemed to help. The entire kingdom was in despair, fearing for their beloved king's life. Anna was devastated, but she refused to give up hope. She remembered an old legend her mother had told her as a child, the legend of the magical flower. According to the legend, the magical flower possessed unparalleled healing powers. It was said to bloom once every 100 years in the heart of the enchanted forest, a mysterious and treacherous place that lay on the outskirts of Eldoria. Determined to save her father, Anna resolved to find this legendary flower. Before dawn, Anna prepared for her journey. She packed a small bag with essentials, donned a simple yet sturdy cloak, and saddled her loyal horse, Luna. She bid a tearful farewell to her mother, who gave her a locket containing a portrait of the family and whispered, "May this keep you safe and remind you of our love." As Anna ventured deeper into the enchanted forest, the path became increasingly difficult. The forest was filled with ancient, towering trees whose branches intertwined to create a dense canopy, allowing only slivers of sunlight to penetrate. The air was thick with the scent of moss and earth, and the sounds of hidden creatures echoed around her. Anna's first challenge came when she stumbled upon a small, secluded grove. In the center of the grove lay a wounded fox, whimpering in pain. Its fur was matted with blood, and it struggled to breathe. Anna's heart ached for the poor creature. She approached it cautiously and saw that its leg was caught in a cruel trap. Without hesitation, Anna knelt beside the fox and gently freed its leg from the trap. She used some healing herbs she had gathered along the way to tend to its wounds. The fox looked up at her with grateful eyes, and as she finished bandaging its leg, it nuzzled her hand before limping off into the forest. "You have shown great compassion, Princess Anna," a deep, resonant voice said from behind her. Anna turned to see a majestic stag standing at the edge of the grove. Its antlers glowed with a soft, ethereal light. "I am the guardian of the enchanted forest. Your kindness has proven your worthiness. You may continue your journey." The stag led Anna to her next challenge, a test of wisdom. They arrived at a clearing where an ancient stone pedestal stood. Upon the pedestal rested a dusty old book. The stag spoke again. "Within this book is a riddle. Solve it, and you shall pass." Anna opened the book and read the riddle aloud. "I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with wind. What am I?" Anna pondered the riddle, pacing around the clearing. The answer seemed just out of reach. She considered the nature of things that could speak and hear without a mouth or ears, and that came alive with the wind. Suddenly, a gentle breeze rustled the leaves above her, and the answer became clear. "An echo," Anna declared with confidence. "The answer is an echo." The stag nodded approvingly. "Indeed, you have shown wisdom, Anna. You may proceed." Feeling more determined than ever, Anna followed the stag to her final challenge, a test of bravery. They arrived at the entrance of a dark, foreboding cave. A deep growl emanated from within, sending a shiver down Anna's spine. This cave is home to a mighty dragon. The stag explained. You must face it and prove your courage. Taking a deep breath, Anna entered the cave, her steps echoing off the stone walls. The darkness enveloped her, but she pressed on, guided by the faint glow of her lantern. As she ventured deeper, the growls grew louder until she found herself in a vast cavern. There, lying on a bed of glittering treasure, was the dragon. The dragon's scales shimmered like molten gold, and its eyes glowed with an intense, fiery light. It raised its massive head and roared, shaking the very ground beneath Anna's feet. Summoning all her courage, Anna stepped forward. "Great dragon," she called out, her voice steady despite her fear. "I am Princess Anna of Eldoria. I seek the magical flower to save my father and my kingdom." The dragon eyed her with curiosity, its growl subsiding. "Why should I believe you, human?" it rumbled. "Many have come before you, seeking to take what is not theirs." Anna met the dragon's gaze, her expression sincere. "I seek the flower not for power or glory, but out of love and necessity. My father is dying, and my kingdom needs his wisdom and guidance. I have faced many challenges to reach this point, and I ask for your trust." The dragon studied her for a moment longer, then lowered its head in a gesture of acceptance. "You have shown bravery in the face of fear. You may take the flower." With the dragon's blessing, Anna continued through the cave until she reached a hidden garden, illuminated by a soft, golden light. In the center of the garden, surrounded by a halo of shimmering magic, bloomed the magical flower. Its petals were a brilliant shade of blue, radiating an otherworldly glow. Anna carefully plucked the flower, feeling its magic surge through her. With the flower in hand, she made her way back to Eldoria, her heart filled with hope. Upon her return, Anna rushed to her father's bedside and placed the flower's petals on his chest. The magic of the flower enveloped him in a golden light, and moments later, King Theodore opened his eyes, healthy and strong once more. The kingdom rejoiced, and Anna's bravery and determination was celebrated far and wide. The magical flower was planted in the royal garden, where it continued to bloom, a testament to the courage and love of Princess Anna. The enchanted forest remained a place of wonder and mystery, its secrets guarded by the wise stag and the magical creatures within. And so, the legend of Princess Anna and the magical flower was passed down through generations, a tale of compassion, wisdom, and bravery that inspired the hearts of all who heard it. Anna's legacy lived on, a beacon of hope and a reminder that true magic lies within the purity of one's heart. Years passed, and under Anna's wise rule, Eldoria continued to prosper. The people of Eldoria lived in peace, knowing their queen was a beacon of hope and strength. The magical flower remained a symbol of the kingdom's unity and prosperity, blooming beautifully in the royal garden. One day, as Anna walked through the garden, she noticed a young girl gazing in awe at the flower. The girl's eyes were filled with wonder and curiosity, reminding Anna of herself at that age. Anna approached her with a gentle smile. "Hello there," Anna said warmly. "What brings you to the royal garden?" The girl looked up, her cheeks flushing with excitement. "I've heard stories about the magical flower, Your Majesty. They say it has incredible powers, and that you found it to save the king." Anna knelt down to the girl's level, her eyes twinkling with kindness. "Yes, those stories are true. The flower's magic is powerful, but what makes it truly special is the journey and the lessons learned along the way. It's a symbol of hope, compassion, and courage." The girl's eyes sparkled with admiration. "I want to be brave like you, Princess Anna. I want to help people and make a difference." Anna placed a gentle hand on the girl's shoulder. "You already have the heart of a brave and kind person. Remember, true bravery comes from facing your fears and doing what is right, even when it's difficult. And always remember that kindness and wisdom are just as important as courage. The girl nodded, her determination growing. I will remember, Your Majesty. Thank you. As the girl ran off to join her friends, Anna watched her go with a smile. She knew that the spirit of adventure and the values of compassion, wisdom, and bravery would continue to thrive in the hearts of Eldoria's people. And so, the kingdom of Eldoria flourished under the rule of Queen Anna, the princess who had journeyed into the enchanted forest and emerged with not only a magical flower, but with the knowledge that the true magic lay within her all along. The legacy of her journey and the lessons she learned were passed down through the ages, a timeless reminder of the power of love, hope, and the human spirit.